How to have a basic HTML structure in VS Code? Hello everyone, below I saw some people ask this question: how to add VSCode Shortcut HTML skeleton? How to have a basic HTML structure in VS Code? But now there are the way to do it. Method 1. Type exclamation at the beginning and hit enter. It will generate the basic HTML structures for you. Method 2. Type exclamation at the beginning and hit tab. It will also generate the basic HTML structure for you too. Method 3. Hit ctrl and space at the same time and hit HTML sample. It will generate the basic HTML structure as well. If the video helped you, please like. Thank you for watching.